Cheeseburger.
Hey, no one can stop me. I'll pull this fire alarm today and nobody's gonna do it. Nobody can stop me. Oh.
Okay, we're all out here. Hey, where is she? Where's Jack at? Oh, John. I don't know why he's up used to. John, where's John at?
Unlock Dante's mid-scene.
Hey, what's that noise? I hear like a police car, a fire truck, and an ambulance. I hear a fire truck or something like that.
Yeah. Why is the fire department here? I see them walking into the building.
Principal Ed, it was a false alarm. Somebody pulled the alarm bell. We were able to turn it off in the jiffy. They were able to turn it off. Somebody pulled it. I think you might want to look at your security cameras. I don't know who did, but all I know is that the fire alarm was pulled and somebody had something to do with this.
Now let's see who poured it. Let's see.
Hey, no one can stop me. I'll pull this fire alarm today and nobody's gonna do it. Nobody can stop me.
Betcha, unkonvention yachts. That's it. Faremos shake.
Attention all teachers and students. It is now safe to go back inside, students. It is now safe to go back inside. Somebody put the fire alarm and we know who it was. It was Johnson Omar. It was Don Omar. John Omar reports to my office right now. For the rest of y'all, it is safe to return.
Oh. No, I'm gonna be in so much trouble. Let's just get this over with. Might be more than I think, but still trouble. Okay, here we go. Start walking. Such a long walk up principal's office. Ooh, it takes this long to just go to a single principal's office now. Dude, I am walking a little slow. I mean it. Yes, Principal.
You are here because you were gonna be in so much trouble. Now have a seat.
There's, Principal Ed, I'm here to know what's the issue.
First of all, you know what the issue is. It's really a bad issue. Second of all, why did you pull the fire alarm? What was that for?
Okay, it was just an accident. It was an accident.
Do you really expect me to think that was an accident? Huh? You are literally laughing and giggling. You're all ha 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 ha. Stupid laugh I've ever heard. Well, that's a dumb laugh. Anyways, then, what do I see? You're laughing, so how was that an accident? Do you expect me to think that was an accident? Huh? Yeah, you're in the world of trouble. Yes, you're in so much trouble. Yes, I'm thinking to suspend you for 3 weeks. And I am calling your parents. And you are gonna clean. Once you're done suspended, you're gonna mop the cafeteria floor for a month. 1 month.
No. Oh, what?
Shut up. Okay? You're going with these punishments and do not negotiate with me. You're going with this punishment, okay?
Oof. How scary.
Sir? What was that? What did you say?
Nothing?
Exactly, better than that.
No, I can't do these chores. I can't do these school chores. No, I can't do it. No, I don't want to.
Oh, since you want to be talking, I'm gonna make it 2 months. No, 3 months. Since you want to be really talking, man. Just for that, I'm adding a 2 month for that. A 2 month. 2 months.
No.
Oh. Wanna go for 3? Wanna go for 3 months? Wanna go for 3? No, 4. Nope. Okay then. If you be rude one more time, I'm adding it to 5 months. Now go home now. Now. Get out of here. Go.